Hey Asters! Get ready for a sweet adventure as we're exploring amazing cake flavors that kids of all ages will love. Aster Basics. Let's start our sweet adventure with the most popular cakes that kids everywhere love. Classic cake flavors. Chocolate cake. The king of cakes, rich and yummy with chocolate in every bite. Vanilla cake. Soft, sweet, and simple, like a fluffy cloud you can eat. Red velvet cake. A bright red cake with a hint of cocoa and creamy frosting on top. Black forest cake. Chocolate layers with cherries and whipped cream dancing together. Strawberry cake. Pretty in pink and bursting with berry sweetness. Lemon cake. Zesty and fresh, like sunshine baked into a cake. Carrot cake. Sweet, spiced, and topped with yummy cream cheese frosting. Cheesecake. Creamy, smooth, and tangy, almost like a cheese-flavored ice cream cake. Marble cake. A swirly mix of chocolate and vanilla all in one slice. Coffee cake. Sweet, soft, and sometimes crumbly, perfect with a warm drink. Now that we've seen the most popular cakes, let's dive into the chocolatey wonders. Chocolate-based cakes. Dark chocolate cake. Rich and bold, perfect for true chocolate lovers. Milk chocolate cake. Sweet, creamy, and smooth with every bite. White chocolate cake. A soft and sweet twist made with creamy white chocolate. German chocolate cake. Chocolate cake topped with gooey coconut and nutty frosting. Devil's food cake. Extra dark, extra rich, and super chocolatey. Chocolate fudge cake. Thick, dense, and packed with chocolate fudge goodness. Chocolate mousse cake. Soft and fluffy with layers of creamy mousse inside. Chocolate truffle cake. Like eating a giant, rich truffle in cake form. Mocha cake. A tasty mix of chocolate and a little coffee flavor. Chocolate orange cake. A sweet and tangy combo of chocolate and orange. Time to take a little break from chocolate and enjoy some soft, light, and creamy cakes. Vanilla and light cakes. French vanilla cake. Smooth, creamy, and extra buttery, a classic treat. Butter cake. Soft, rich, and buttery, simple and delicious. Sponge cake. Light and fluffy, like biting into a sweet cloud. Angel food cake. Super airy and soft, almost like eating a fluffy angel. Funfetti cake. Vanilla cake with rainbow sprinkles baked inside for a party bite. From soft and sweet to fruity and fresh, let's see what fruit-filled cakes await us. Fruit-flavored cakes. Pineapple cake. Tropical and sweet, like a bite of sunshine. Blueberry cake. Soft cake dotted with juicy blueberries in every bite. Banana cake. Sweet, soft, and moist with natural banana flavor. Apple cinnamon cake. Warm, sweet, and a little spicy, just like Grandma's kitchen. Juicy fruits were fun, but now it's time to crunch into some nutty treats. Nutty cakes. Peanut butter cake. Sweet, creamy, and peanutty, a nutty delight. Almond cake. Soft cake with a delicate nutty almond flavor in every bite. Pistachio cake. Green, sweet, and nutty, a crunchy surprise inside. Hazelnut cake. Rich and nutty, perfect for little chocolate fans too. Walnut cake. Sweet cake with crunchy walnut pieces for a fun texture. Yummy nuts done. Let's add a little spice and warmth to our cake adventure. Spiced and warm cakes. Cinnamon swirl cake. Soft cake with sweet cinnamon spirals in every slice. Pumpkin spice cake. Soft, orange cake with pumpkin and warm spices. Gingerbread cake. Sweet and spiced, like a ginger cookie in cake form. Honey cake. Sweet, soft, and naturally flavored with golden honey. Spicy and cozy cakes are behind us. Now get ready for cakes that are colorful and full of fun. Colorful and fun cakes. Rainbow cake. Bright layers of colors stacked into one magical slice. Unicorn cake. A playful, sparkly cake with pastel colors and fun designs. Unicorn rainbow layer cake. Colorful layers stacked high, magical, and fun to eat. Ice cream cake. Cold, creamy layers of cake and ice cream together. Cookie crumble cake. A cake filled and topped with crunchy cookie pieces. Lollipop cake. Bright, swirly, and fun, just like a giant lollipop in cake form. Gummy bear cake. A colorful cake with chewy gummy bears hiding inside or on top. From rainbow layers to magical unicorns, let's explore some unique and modern cake flavors. Unique and modern cakes. Matcha green tea cake. Soft green cake with a gentle, sweet tea flavor. Lavender honey cake. Sweet, floral, and cozy with a touch of honey. Rose cake. Pretty and fragrant, with a delicate rose flavor. Lemon basil cake. Sweet and zesty with a tiny hint of fresh basil. Time to get inspired by other desserts, cakes that taste just like cookies, brownies, and ice cream. Dessert-inspired cakes. Cookies and cream cake. Soft cake filled with crunchy cookie bits for extra fun. Brownie cake. Thick, fudgy, and chocolatey, a brownie in cake form. S'mores cake. Chocolate, marshmallow, and graham flavors all in one bite. Marshmallow cake. Soft cake with gooey, sweet marshmallows on top or inside. Nutella cake. Soft cake with rich, creamy chocolate hazelnut flavor. Salted caramel cake. Sweet and slightly salty, a tasty twist for little adventurers. Wow, that was a lot of cakes! Which flavor was your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aster Basics for more yummy fun.